In this video I have a blue, and guess what guys, this one, the charging port is rocking. Like, when I mean it's rocking very heavy. So we are going to do port replacement. Do have a lot of small screws to remove. Okay, we have to remove the buttons here. So the flex for the button. You want to remove the flex for the button, and also you want to remove the screen as well. So we have to remove this for the screen. And now we are going to remove the motherboard. We also have to move the vibrator as well. It's right here. So we have to move this in order first. Remove that out. Guys, this is the port and we're going to do a replacement. Sometime. So guys, I just removed the port. Damn, it's very hot. And we're going to put in the new one. You want to ensure any sort of component nearby that you don't heat off any small component off of the board. So I have the same identical port here, and I am not going to use any flux. I am just going to only use heat. Okay, let me just align this. I do think that the board is very hot right now. Okay, so I think it is perfectly aligned. I'm going to apply some hot air, and we're going to just resolder that port back in place. It's very easy, and it looked very easy, but it can be hard as well. I've done this before. So guys, we're actually done. I can see that this port is soldered properly. If you look, it's very hot, but you can see that even the pins at the back are soldered correctly and the joints are soldered. So we're just going to leave this to cool down, and we're just going to put this back into the phone. So I am going to test. So yeah, we just replaced the charging port for this blue, and everything is working. We can see that the battery is depleted, it is drained, it's at 0%, and definitely would take some time for the phone to charge. So I'm going to put back on the back cover, put in back all the screws, and put back in the battery, and we are done. So do like, share, and subscribe.